let's get, sorry, my legs. What is this? Let's get this one. This is a puppy dog. Okay, like I said, we were in a hurry. So, let's go. Koala bun. Koala bun. This bread that is slightly teared up. See that? Okay. We have these two squishies that have no drizzle and are barely squishy. Listen. That's not squishy. And a pink one. If you guys can see that. Okay. Okay, yes, we have another position moving. Now this is the first camera, that's how I'm holding you guys. So,